Hello learners and welcome to Foundations to Reconstruction. We are on week 25. This week we're going to talk about units 4.5 and 4.6, so the division of the people, and there's a small project that goes along with what we've been learning about. So your learning target for the week is I can successfully understand how the Fugitive Slave Act contributed to escalating tensions between the slave and the free states. We are slowly working our way towards the Civil War, and you're going to see a bunch of factors that try to stop the Civil War, a bunch of factors that intensified what happened. So as we go through, eventually, like I said, we are going to lead up to the Civil War. So I want you to take a moment to examine the 4 runaway slave advertisements on the right. What similarities do you notice among the advertisements? Okay, so I'll just give you a little bit to look at those and think about what are some of the similarities amongst them. Okay, and obviously you can pause it if you want to spend a little bit more time on that. You're going to read Unit 4, Section 5. Also read Fugitive Slave Acts from History.com. There's some really great video clips for you to watch. Remember, from study.com, you can just watch the beginning of them, but there's a lot of great information in the beginning of the 2 videos there. And then there's a Quizlet on the Fugitive Slave Act as well. Okay, so after learning about the Fugitive Slave Act, you're going to tell me how did the Fugitive Slave Act contribute to escalating tensions between the slave and the free states. Okay, so you're going to, like I said, watch some really, really great videos. You're going to read some articles, and you're going to see how the tensions continued to escalate with this Fugitive Slave Act. And one of my favorite videos, let me see if I can find it here. It's a Fugitive Slave Act of 1850 from Mercy Street. It's a video clip. And you're going to see that there were people that stuck up for African Americans and who were willing to go that extra mile to make sure that what they were doing was right. Okay, so like I said, make sure you do watch this one because it is a great video. Okay, so in order to check your understanding of the Fugitive Slave Act, you're just going to complete a small quiz, and then using the knowledge you gained about the Fugitive Slave Act, lots of Fugitive Slave Acts, if you lived at, using the knowledge you gained about the Fugitive Slave Act, if you lived at the time of the Fugitive Slave Act, would you abide by or ignore the law? And then you're going to explain to me. So you're going to take all of the knowledge you've learned throughout this lesson, and then you're going to apply it to this elaborate. So make sure you are watching the videos and looking at some of the readings and really getting a feel for what was happening at that time period and seeing how the tension was starting to rise amongst the people. And it is only a matter of time until there is a separation of states and the Civil War. Okay, so any questions or concerns, reach out to me. And then, of course, just tell me what new information you've learned from the lesson. Okay, you guys have a wonderful, productive week. Thanks. Bye.